Olivia. Now I might mess up, I'm not sure. Okay, and she always has cats and dogs with her, or some sort of animal, but we don't have time. Olivia. Now next, ooh, okay, now we're getting into a complicated thing because we have Reese and Riley. Which one would come first? Well, they both have R's, so we will put Reese first because it's R-I. I comes before Y. So Reese. Alright, Reese. Smiling, oops. Reese is next. Sorry, guys. Oh my word, I cracked myself up. Then Riley, who just moved. Woo! Riley's closer to all of us now. Okay? Sorry, guys. Riley. Alright. Now we have two more. Sam and Titus. Who comes first? Sam comes first. Okay. We're running out of room. Sam's very tall, so Sam will go here. Actually, Sam has longer legs than that. Okay, Sam. How are you doing, Sam? Hopefully you're doing well. Sam. And then last but not least is Titus. Titus is a little bit shorter, so we'll draw him right there. And he actually has glasses now. Sorry, you guys are probably screaming at me from your video like, get my drawing right. But that is how we make all of our people in ABC order. C, D, G, J, N, N, O, R, R, S, T. Now, you memorize the alphabet when you're in kindergarten, but now you're going to have to learn it a little bit differently. What I would say is divide your, just like I used to do this for Bible sword drills, but in your dictionary, in your mind, you'll divide it into three main sections based on the amount of words that there are. So you have A, B, C, D, E, that's the first section, A, B, C, D, E, A through E. Then you have F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. You know how you say L, M, P? You're going to put from F to L, M, P all in one. And then Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z in its other one. The smallest is A, B, C, D, E. It's only 5, but that's because even though there's 5 letters, there's tons of words that begin with those letters, okay? So A through E makes up about 1/3 of the dictionary. F through P makes about the second third, and then Q through Z makes up about 1/3 of the alphabet. Most words in the dictionary are single words. However, sometimes 2 or more words are used if it has a special meaning, okay? For example, like if you were looking up the word Roman numeral, you couldn't just look up the word Roman, you couldn't just look up the word numeral. So they put it together and you would look up like Roman numeral, totem pole, and a yellow jacket. You couldn't just look up yellow or jacket, that wouldn't really help you. So these words are listed just as they're spelled as one word. So, for example, like what I'm saying is a Roman numeral, capital R-O-M-A-N space N-U-M-E-R-A-L would actually, when you're looking at it, it would be as if it were spelled as one word. So R-O-M-A-N-N would be the next letter. And then so if we had romance, romance or Roman numeral, which one would come next? Which one would come first? Well, romance is R-O-M-A-N-C-E, and Roman numeral is capital R-O-M-A-N space N. So romance would come first, and then Roman numeral because the next letter is N, if that makes sense. Okay, we're all on to page 219, think A. We're going to think which part of the dictionary would have these names. Thinking of how I told you to divide it in A through E, F through P, Q through Z. You're going to write down on your page, is it in A through E, F through P, Q through Z, okay? Hamster. Hamster. Hopefully you put I just realized I'm missing half my alphabet up there. Hamster is H, so it would be F through P. F through P. Try to beat me. Alligator. Obviously, that's A through E. Easy. Monkey. That is F through P. So put F through P on there. Cockatoo. Cockatoo is a C, so it is A through E. Snake. Snake. That is Q through Z. Put Q through Z. Duckling. Duckling is A through E. Kitten. Kitten is F through P. Rabbit is Q through Z. Guppy is F through P. And turtle, T is Q through Z. All right, we're already done. Turn the page. Now we actually have a couple pages left. Okay, page 220. It says, think B. Look at the first letters of the following words. Number them in the order in which you would find them in the dictionary. So look at both columns. Okay, and we're gonna put them in order. Okay. Once you get the hang of this, this will be super fast for think B. Okay, number 1 is going to be what? Hopefully you looked at both sides and you said 1 is apple. Number 2, B, bell. Yeah, so you might be noticing something. A is apple, or 1 is apple. 2 is bell. 3 is cream, C, yep. 4 is D, deer, A, B, C, D. 5 is E, elephant. 6 is F for fish. 7 is garage. So right now we've been going through. 8 is health. 9 is, comes after H, igloo. 9 is igloo. 10 is jam. 11 is, oh, we skipped K and we went right to layer. 11 is layer. 12 is musky. 13 is pump. And 14 is yellow. Did you get all of those? I hope you did. Now, I really like this part, but this is something that a lot of kids have had problems with. Think C. William sent the following secret message to his buddy James. Arrange the words in ABC order, and you will be able to figure out the message. Okay, this is a secret code, and you have to look. Now, what I would do is, I would look at every word and then cross it out as you go and write it down. So, first letter of the alphabet is A, so after, right? So after is first. Then you might have noticed B for breakfast. After breakfast. C for come. After breakfast, come. Down is next for D. Everyone's comes after that. Everyone's. After breakfast, come down, everyone's. Going is next. G. Going. Hiking is after that. Now we're skipping a lot of alphabet. We're going all the way down to N for near. And then N-O, Ogden. P is for pond. C, S-E-E-U. Now, if you put the proper punctuation and capitals, it should be after breakfast, come down, period. Everyone's going hiking near Ogden Pond, period. See you, period. Did you get it? I hope you got it. After breakfast, come down. Everyone's going hiking near Ogden Pond. See you. Okay, think D. On notebook paper, write the following list of words in ABC order. you will have to look at the second letter in each word. So you have dough, dark, delight, drop, dust. If you don't have to do this on a separate sheet of paper and rewrite them, you can actually just put the numbers right above. So dough, dark, delight, drop, dust. They all begin with D, so you have to look at the second letter and put them in order. I'll do the first two for you, and then I want you to do the next three on your own, okay? So number one is dark. So I put a 1 over dark, then DA, and then the next one is DE, delight, number 2. Now the next one is dough, because O comes next. Then drop is 4th, because DR. And then the last one is 5 is dust, okay? Number 2, sport, ski, swim, strength, and sandy. They all begin with S, so we have to look at the second letter. So they all tied, check, 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 check. Now we go to the second letter. So sandy is first, because of A. Then number 2 is ski, because it has a K. 3 is SP for sport. 4 is ST for strength, and 5 is SW for swim. Yeah, the next one, 3, 4, and 5, I'm going to let you work on those on your own so you can see if you know how to do it or not. Think E, you're going to do as well. It says, look at the third letter of the following words. So these, they all have 2 letters in common. So remember, we're doing ABC order. They all have an S and they all have a P. So we're looking at the third letter. We did something just like this in encyclopedias, so this is just a review. I'll give you a hint. Number 1 is going to be space, because A comes first in the alphabet. Okay? That you should be able to do that on your own. And then homework is think F and G. You're going to take all of these, you're going to put them in ABC order, and you're going to put all of these in ABC order. I hope you can't see from here and then you screenshot. Just kidding. But anyways, that's it for today. You're going to be doing the rest of 220 and 221 for your work, and then you're done with language. Have a great day.